Well, children, today we'll be discussing regarding a very interesting phenomenon that occurs in nature. Now, we know that plants are sessile. Plants cannot move. But we see varieties of plants everywhere. You will find plants of same type at one place, or in a forest. You find different varieties of plants and also plants of the same type. Then how is it possible? We know that plants only respond to stimuli, that is to light or towards gravity. But plants cannot move like animals. Then nature must be having some mechanism by which you find varieties of plants everywhere. Now before that, let's hear a beautiful story regarding a mother pea plant. Now there used to be a mother pea plant who was very slender, very beautiful and very affectionate. She had lot of children. Now for her children, she has built beautiful rooms called as the pea pods. Now inside these pea pods, the children used to live. These are the pea pods where the children used to live. They used to grow up and they used to enjoy inside it. And the mother pea plant used to take a lot of care of her small growing children. Then these children started growing up. As you all grow up, the children or the peas also start growing up. And she used to take utmost care. She used to nurture them. She used to love them. She used to feed them. But the mother pea plant has so many children and she had so much to feed. And she was all alone. She has to give all the nutrients. She was always worried how she will feed all these children. And also she wants that her children should move out, explore the nature, explore the world and be independent, because she cannot always feed her children. So when the children used to grow up, the room used to be small for them and they used to fight with each other and they used to start dashing with each other. So one day it happens, the door of the room opens slightly and slowly it opened totally. So one by one the pods, the peas started falling down. One by one the peas started falling down. Some peas fell down near the mother. Some peas rolled down and went far off. Some peas went very far off. Very far off, they went down and down, rolled and rolled, they moved away from the mother. Although the mother was worried, but the mother was happy also that the children will go far off, they will grow up, they will learn to live in the world and thus they will be new beautiful grown up plants like her. So this is the end of the story. Now you can know from this what is to be learned. Now the mother pea plant took utmost care, and when the peas were grown up, the mother made them to face the world. That means the pea pod exploded and the pea started rolling and started growing up and going away from the mother plant. So this mechanism is what happens in nature, but this is only one form of mechanism that happens. There are many other ways in which the seeds go away from the mother plant. So this mechanism is called as the seed dispersal. This is a mechanism by which the seeds move away from the parent plant, because if they grow near the mother plant, they will not get enough nutrients to grow up. So the seeds need to move and go away from the parent plant. So there are various other ways by which seeds move, and nature has its own mechanism by which there is distribution of seeds and moving away of seeds from far off place, and this is how there is distribution of species of plants around the world. Now let us see what happens, what are the various mechanisms by which seed dispersal occurs. Now this is the dispersal through water. Those aquatic plants which grow in water, their seed dispersal occurs through water. As you know, the coconut will dry up and they will start moving away and they will go to far off place. This is water. Now you saw the pea explosion by which Now for example, if I had made this pea pod, this is a balloon which has seeds inside. This is a mature pod. Now this is now ready to explode. So this balloon represents a pod. Now if I prick it with a the seeds will start falling away from the mother plant. Now another mechanism by which you see the seeds, these are the seeds which have spines like appearance. Now these seeds are dispersed with the help of animals. Now for example, this socks I'm representing an animal. You will see how these seeds will be getting attached to this socks. You see, because of their hooks and spines, the seeds get attached and they are moved away from the parent plant with the help of animal. So these are the various mechanisms by which seeds get dispersed. Another way by which seed dispersal occurs is through the winds. Now here you see some varieties of seeds I have shown. It is attached to the plant. Now if I blow with the wind or with my mouth, you will see they will be getting flying off. So this is how dispersal of seeds occur in nature. So nature has its own way of moving the seeds or dispersing the seeds, and through this mechanism the dispersal of seeds occur. Now the four ways by which they occur is by wind, by water, by animals, and by explosion. Now also this mechanism depends on the type of the seeds. The seeds which are lighter and which can be blown away through wind are moved by wind, that is seeds of dandelion. Then seeds of aquatic plants like coconut move through water. Now seeds like xanthium which have hooks move through animals, and seeds of pea, they explode through the explosion of pods. So this is how the mechanism of seeds occurs. Thank you.